What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is Roberto here with another video, and today's video is going to be another MJ Monday. Now, today's MJ Monday is going to be the Jordan 4 Fire Red. Now, this retroed back here in 2020 at the end, back in December, and retailed for $200, and currently has a good resale around the $300 mark or so. If you guys can get yourself a pair, I highly do recommend it. I mean, it's a super sweet retro, and let me just show you guys. Here it is, the Jordan 4 Fire Red. Beautiful colorway. You know, the classic white, black, and red. Now, really quickly before we get into detail of the shoe itself, let's talk about sizing on this shoe. So my true size is a 9.5, and I got lucky with the 9.5 exactly. And I would say 4s do run slightly bigger, about half size big. So I do recommend going either your true size or go down half a size. I would not go up half a size. You probably could get away with it if you had like sneaker shields, but I do not recommend that. So now let's break down the shoe, and then we'll break down the box and get into the on feet. So here's the shoe itself. You can see all the white panels right there will be made out of leather. Your tongue will feature a red Jumpman up top. Your laces were only gonna come in white. Unfortunately, they didn't come in black. I think that might have looked pretty sick, but it's okay. You can just do a simple lace swap. Flipping it over, your classic Jordan 4 tongue has Air Jordan right there, upside down. Right here on the back, the best thing about this shoe, personally for me, is the Nike Air. That is why I love this shoe so much. So this right here was the reason why I bought it. Taking a look at your midsole, you have white, black, and red parts of it. You have your classic air bubble right there, with your outsole being a gray and a red right there. If you guys want to see a how I style video on these, definitely let me know, and I would love to put that together for you. Now let's take a look at the box right here. This box is a little smashed because I had other sneakers stacked on top. Right there it says Flight on the classic Jordan 4 box. Right there with the cement print. Opening it up, it's just your classic box right there. Nothing too special with the box. And then right here, you do have the size tag right there and Nike Air. Nothing too different, nothing too special. But yeah, here is the box, the retro box. Okay, so now that is done, let's jump into the on feet. Okay guys, come back from the on feet. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, as it does help boost this video up in the algorithm, and it really does help grow my channel, so I really do appreciate that. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe, as I do post Monday and Thursdays, and I'd love to see you guys here on the next video. Also follow my Instagram at Roberto to see what I'm currently posting. Sneakers and streetwear, I do post daily, sometimes twice a day. So don't miss that content as well, guys, if you want to see a little bit more. Comment down below if you guys like this shoe, or if you like a different Jordan 4 more than this colorway. Curious to hear your thoughts, but that's going to do it for me, guys. So stay fresh and stay fly. I'm out.